everyone, so on my plate today we have spicy chicken nuggets and I paired it with mango pickle sauce hot. So if you want to find out how I made this delicious looking chicken nuggets, please keep on watching. Here I have 2.5 chicken breasts. I'm going to cut it in bite size. So I'm going to grind coarse black pepper, I'll say a pinch of that, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, put it aside. Half a cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon dry parsley leaves, put our chicken pieces in the flour. Mix thoroughly. So I'm going to put them back in the other plate. Then here I have a plate of just regular water, so I'm going to dip that in there, toss it in the flour, so we went from this to this. So this is how I check if the oil is hot. You put in your wooden spoon, and if it starts bubbling, as you can see, that means your oil is ready for frying. So here I was just making sure that none of my chicken pieces are sticking at the bottom of the pan, and then I believe I fried my chicken for 10 to 15 minutes depending on how big your pieces are, and I fried it until they're crispy and golden brown. So this is how you want your chicken nuggets to look like. They're crispy and they're golden brown. So I'm going to take them off the stove. So we have this little guy here. As our dipping sauce, I'm going to use hot green mango sauce, sliced yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, carrot slices as well. Lastly, put the sliced green bell pepper. Then on this side I am going to put our chicken nuggets. And yeah, here we have it, you guys, our spicy chicken nuggets. Please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video every single Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye.